Aspen University, CJ485, Module 5, Discussion Question 1. My name is Andre Rosedale. I am the instructor for this course. This module question, Discussion Question 1, reads, based on the Supreme Court decision in the Missouri versus McNeely case, what is your opinion on how the court ruled, and what would you have decided differently? Or would you have decided differently? So I'm looking forward to your response with a good citation on this court case or from your textbook. Good APA reference. I am interested to know, in your state, how does this work? For example, in the state of Connecticut, we offer blood, breath, and urine tests for DUIs. And in section E of the A40 form, which is the police officer's DUI report, it states that the officer will choose the test, blood, breath, or urine, and a blood test can be refused. So you can refuse a blood test, but then you have to submit a breath test or a urine sample if the officer so chooses. Even if you refuse the blood, he can move on and say, all right, let's do a urine test, let's do a breath test. It's called the Implied Consent Advisory. Section E is the Implied Consent Advisory, and I will post a link to that form both in the description of this YouTube video and in the discussion, so you can look at it. But so for religious reasons, people will decline it. So I'm wondering, what you guys do. I have heard, and I have not actually seen, but in Florida they have officers that are phlebotomists, and they will take it. Here, I have talked to the head DUI prosecutor in Connecticut, at least she was at the time, which was 6 years ago maybe, and she said we could actually transport somebody from the police station to the hospital to have the nurses in the emergency room take it. If someone gets involved in a DUI crash and they're suspected as DUI, in 8 other agencies that I've worked for, we have gone to the hospital with them and read them the rights, read them the implied consent advisory, requested a blood sample. If they refuse, we requested a urine sample. If they refused, they were considered a full refusal and would be cited. If they provided the urine sample, because the intoxilizers are back at the police station and not portable, if they submitted the urine sample or the blood sample, they would then get their summons to court. I did say that breathalyzer machines, we use the Intox 5000 now, the Draeger Intox 5000. There are portable ones. They are used in Connecticut, but they cannot be used to effect an arrest. They can be used to supplement the evidence, and but they cannot be used for evidence gathering. So like if the big machine goes down, you can't use the flashlight alcohol detector. So again, I'm looking forward to your response. I'm looking forward to a good APA citation, and I'm looking forward to you responding to my question of what does your state do?